We'll guide you through how to get and set a custom alarm sound on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
So you're wanting to go and set an alarm, but you don't currently like the sounds available on there. Find the sound and audio we want to do this with. You may already have it on your iPhone. If you don't worry, we can get one. You can head to a site like Pixabay or NCS or different sites out there. We can go and press music. You can go and press the play pause to the left. Go in here if you like it. And if you do, you can press the download button to the right, go and open up the App Store. You are going to need to go and press the search in the bottom right. And you need to go and type in an app called Audio Editor. It's this one here. You can then go and open it up, press from file, and you want to go and select it. It should be in the top of the recents. Press edit audios and press new. And you can then go and select it at the top here and we'll go and press OK. This needs to be less than 30 seconds. You can tap and hold it and start adjusting it because you may not want the start of it to be the alarm and play it back. Just drag it to the start like so. And then I'll come to the end and just make it shorter than 30. So you can tap and hold it and drag it. Then press share in the top right and you want to go down and press export. You can see the name there. And then what you can do is go and open up your files. Press browse in the bottom right and press on my iPhone, find Audio Maker, audio, and here it is here. Then tap and hold your finger on it, press share, and you can go and press use as ringtone. But what you need to do is that's now using it for the ringtone. You can change that back. To do it on the clock, you need to go and tap on the alarm, make a new one or use an existing one, press sound, and then you can go and select it.